Hello. This videos I'm going to show you how to boost speed your computer. In the comments of prior videos, many users have complained that their computer is slower after upgrading to Windows 10 or after a major update. Thankfully, there are simple tweaks you can make to speed up your PC. So coming up, we'll go step by step giving you our recommendations to optimize and improve the performance of your computer. Let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on Window, click Task Manager, click More Details. Please look at above option and select Startup. Please disable all programs in Startus, because when you start up your computer, these programs will running. It'll slow down your computer. Step 2. Right-click on Window, click Run. Write temp and click OK. Select all files after delete, because these files useless, it can slow down your computer. Step 3. Right-click on Window, click Run. Write %temp% and click OK. Please select all these files and click Delete All. Step 4. Right-click on Window, click Run. Write Prefetch and click OK. Please delete all files. Step 5. Write Disk Cleanup. On Windows Search, click Disk Cleanup app. Click OK. Checkmark all in files delete. Click OK. Click Delete Files. Please wait for it to finish. Here are some of the solutions that make your Windows 10 faster. Thank you for watching.